You know when you're at that awkward length and you're struggling to find a suitable hairstyle? Well, join me as I take on the challenge of creating a quick, natural hairstyle for short 4C hair girls that is perfect for dinner, school, or going out. Many short 4C hair girls face a common struggle when searching for a suitable hairstyle for dinner or school or whatever. We want to look our best, but we also want to keep things simple and easy to manage. Hi everyone, I'm Hair Obsessed JC and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a quick, easy, natural hairstyle that is perfect for short 4C hair girls like you. Just in case you're wondering, this is the look I'm going for. This look can be suitable for any occasion. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. My hair is slightly damp and currently moisturized and sealed. I'm going to be sectioning off my hair into two sections. We're going to braid the front to keep it from drying out, and we're going to braid the back of the hair into two strand twists. I'm going to be using this hair mousse for definition. Let me know in the comments if you prefer using a mousse or hair gel to get more definition. Now that I've braided up the back, we're going to style the front. I'm going to be using two flat twists. If you're not sure how to do a flat twist, there's so many tutorials on YouTube on how to do a flat twist. Remember, this is the style that I'm going for. Now that I'm finished with the flat twist, I'm gonna tie up my hair just so that everything keeps neat. As you can see, my hair is still wet, so I'm gonna be drying my hair with the blow dryer. Okay, so the style is not coming out as expected. Every girl needs a hair string. And why do we need this hair string? So that we can change up our style into a high puff. It's that simple. So this is what the style is looking like. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you would go for. Remember, as a short 4C hair girl, it's essential to embrace and celebrate your natural texture. Don't be afraid to try new hairstyles and experiment with different hair products and techniques. And always remember, your natural hair is beautiful and unique to you. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Until next time, remember to stay fabulous, stay curly, and hair obsessed. Adios.